In pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and food manufacturing, there is exactly zero margin for error. A single irregularity in a batch, one variation in temperature or chemical consistency, can render millions of dollars of product completely useless, or worse, dangerous. Facility managers face a difficult engineering challenge. They need production machinery that is entirely bespoke and scalable to their specific floor plans, while simultaneously maintaining strict adherence to uncompromising international compliance standards. 15 years ago, Alpro Equipments and Technologies entered the market to bridge that exact gap between custom fabrication and heavily regulated quality control. Looking at these 4 official registration certificates and the 15-plus year experience badge, we can see their baseline commitment. Every piece of equipment uses high-grade stainless steel, specifically SS304 and SS316, to ensure they meet exact GMP and CGMP requirements. Industrial trust is never something you can simply claim in a brochure. It has to be engineered, tested, and proven over a decade of rigorous material mastery. Building a massive factory ecosystem usually begins with the most basic physical requirement: mastering the preparation and reduction of raw solids through dry and wet granulation. This technical specification for the rapid mixer granulator details how it solves blending powders. Programmable controls ensure uniform particle size and GMP compliance. Panning down to the capacity table, we see machines scaling from AEG 100 for R&D up to AEG 1000 for 1,000-kilogram batches. This text for the multi-mill outlines the mechanical advantage of variable force swing beaters. By combining both knife and impact edges, rotating within a selected screen, operators get precise control over the sizing of the processed material. Perfecting these high-efficiency solid processing units gave Alpro the technical footing required to tackle much more volatile and complex chemical states. Once you move past solid particle reduction, the engineering challenges multiply. Processing temperature-sensitive semisolids and highly viscous pastes requires incredibly precise thermal controls. These specifications for the paste kettle reveal exactly how they handle thermal stress. The kettles use specific hemispherical bowls wrapped in custom steam, oil, or water heating jackets, insulated with 50 millimeters of glass wool to prevent heat loss. This image highlights their evolution into fully interconnected ointment manufacturing plants. Instead of standalone kettles, they integrate dedicated water phase vessels, wax phase vessels, and storage tanks into a single closed-loop system, using lobe and vacuum transfer pumps. As this diagram illustrates, these integrated setups can handle an immense volume range. A small laboratory can run a 10-kilogram test batch, while a factory floor can seamlessly execute a massive 300-kilogram industrial output. By successfully managing the extreme viscosity and thermal demands of ointment production, Alpro proved they could architect and integrate multi-stage custom machinery without breaking compliance. The final tier of Alpro's engineering capability involves designing full-scale, highly automated production lines for liquids and delicate gelatins. Looking at the technical layout for the syrup manufacturing plant, the sheer volume is clear. These custom-built systems scale from 100 liters up to 5,000 liters and beyond, utilizing specialized sugar melting vessels and basket filters. And they pair these massive manufacturing vessels directly with automated liquid and tube filling lines. This provides facility managers with a complete end-to-end solution, from raw material mixing all the way to the final capped bottle. These specifications for the soft gelatin section show the highly specialized machinery required for capsule filling. Dual gelatin reactors melt and store the material under strict temperature control, while medicament mixers utilize jacketed tops and homogenizers to prepare the exact pharmaceutical dosage. At this level of engineering integration, Alpro delivers complete, interconnected factory ecosystems that arrive ready for immediate production. Choosing a partner with a proven decade-and-a-half track record means inheriting reliability, rather than gambling a multi-million-dollar production run on an unverified system. As outlined in this contact section, the next logical step for expanding facilities is to request a quote. Discuss specific project needs and integrate Alpro equipments into your list of approved machinery suppliers, because ultimately, maintaining relentless, scalable precision is the absolute only way to safeguard the output of modern industrial manufacturing.